Alright, so question number 63, we have an increasing array of squares where the length of the squares increases by 1 each time. And we can see that when we increase the length of the squares by 1, we get a number of unit squares that compose that, which is equal to the number of the length squared. So we have 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 squared is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to keep going up until we get to the 6th and 7th squares. So the question is, how many more squares, or these unit squares, are going to be in the 7th square than the 6th square? So we can do this really two ways. One of them requires less drawing, and it's just to recognize that these squares, the number of unit squares in there, are just the side lengths squared, because they're squares. So we know that the 4th square is going to be 4 squared, so 4 squared is 16. The 5th one is going to be 5 squared. 5 squared equals 25. And the 6th one is going to be 6 squared. 6 squared equals 36. So the 7th one is accordingly going to be 7 squared. 7 squared equals 49. So we know that the number of squares is equal to these numbers on the right. So to find out how many more squares 7 squared is going to have than 6 squared, we can just take 49 and subtract 36, and we get how many more this one has. So 49 minus 36 equals 13. So the number of squares 7 squared requires more than 6 squared is 13.